Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Home Trends. Have you ever walked into a space and just known it was trying to be a modern farmhouse? Maybe it was the predictable black window frames, the obligatory shiplap accent wall, or the, let's be honest, overused, live, laugh, love aesthetic. For a while, that look was everywhere. It was clean, it was cozy, but lately, to a lot of us, it started to feel a bit expected, a bit like a uniform. And if you're feeling that fatigue, you're not just imagining it. The design world has been buzzing with the same question. Is the modern farmhouse style over? Well, what if I told you that the reports of its death are greatly exaggerated? What's actually happening is so much more exciting. The soul of farmhouse, the comfort, the connection to natural materials, the sense of authenticity that isn't going anywhere. What's fading is the formula. The soul is getting a stunning, sophisticated, and deeply personal upgrade. So forget what you think you know. Today, we're not touring a time capsule of 2020. We're exploring the evolution. We're talking about the evolved modern farmhouse for 2026. This is where the true, perfect blend of rustic and refined lives. It's a style that swaps sterile for soulful, predictable for personal, and cold for captivatingly warm. If you're longing for a home that feels both timeless and fresh, that has character in spades, but still feels clean and intentional, then you are in exactly the right place. This is the future of rustic living, and trust me, it's a future you're going to love. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down exactly how this style has transformed. We'll look at the new material mix that creates that rustic meets refined magic. Dive into the curated color palettes that have replaced all that bright white, and explore how to blend vintage finds with modern pieces, so your home tells a story that's uniquely yours. We're moving beyond the trend and into the realm of authentic, lasting style. Section 1. The 2026 Evolution Beyond the White Box. Let's clear something up first. The modern farmhouse of 2026 has shed its skin. It's moving decisively away from the sterile, all-white box that felt more like a showroom than a home. The goal now is warmth, character, and a timeless, textured future. So what's replacing it? Think of it as the new rustic. This evolved style keeps the beloved farmhouse foundation, the sense of simplicity, comfort, and connection to nature, but layers it with global influences and modern priorities. We're seeing whispers of Scandinavian minimalism for calm and Japanese wabi-sabi for that celebration of natural imperfection. The result isn't a themed look. It's a collected, soulful feel that seems to have evolved over time. This shift is driven by you, the homeowner. There's a massive desire for authenticity and sustainability. It's no longer about buying a farmhouse-style decor kit. It's about choosing real materials, investing in craftsmanship, and mixing pieces with history and heart. It's a style that's less about what you see on TV and more about what feels right for your life. Section 2. The new palette and material mix. Let's get into the specifics, starting with color. Forget cold, clinical white. The new foundation is warm whites, soft taupes, and muted earth tones. These are your serene, enveloping backdrop colors. But here's the 2026 twist. We're embracing moody, earthy accents for depth and sophistication. Don't be afraid to paint a feature wall, your kitchen island, or built-in shelves in a rich, deep shade. We're talking forest green, navy blue, charcoal, or burnt terracotta. These colors feel inherently connected to the landscape, bringing a dramatic, modern edge to the rustic base. A recent survey showed that nearly 70% of designers now recommend these earthy, calming palettes for this very reason. Now, pair that color story with a confident mix of materials. This is where the rustic meets refined magic happens. The rule is simple. Contrast is key. Pair reclaimed wood beams with sleek marble or polished concrete. Combine a rugged farmhouse table with upholstered dining chairs. In the living room, let a buttery leather sofa contrast with a nubby linen throw and a sleek metal floor lamp. This intentional layering of rough and smooth, matte and glossy, is what creates a space with irresistible visual and tactile interest. Section 3. The curated blend. Vintage soul, modern bones. At the heart of this evolved style is a beautiful tension, the blend of vintage charm and contemporary comfort. This is what prevents your home from looking like a catalog page and instead makes it feel uniquely you. The key is to avoid a perfectly matched set and strive for a curated collection. Hunt for vintage treasures that tell a story. This could be a mid-century credenza, a set of weathered dining chairs, or a vintage mirror with beautiful patina. Then, let those pieces sing by placing them against a more modern backdrop. Hang that vintage mirror above a clean-lined contemporary console. Place a mid-century chair beside your modern fireplace. This philosophy extends to every corner. Even if you're buying new, look for pieces that feel authentic. Choose lighting that makes a statement. Think of it as the jewelry for your home. A bold, linear chandelier over your dining table or sculptural sconces in the hallway can bridge old and new beautifully. The goal is a space that feels grounded in the past but fully comfortable in the present. Section 4. The core of the style. Authenticity and warmth. Ultimately, the modern farmhouse style in 2026 is about two things: authenticity and warmth. It's a pushback against fast furniture and disposable decor. prioritizes natural materials, sustainable choices, and items with integrity. This might mean choosing FSC-certified wood, shopping at local antique stores, or investing in a handcrafted pot from a local artist. This approach naturally creates warmth. It's the warmth of wood grain, the softness of natural linen, the glow of brass that's been touched by hands over time. It's also about a warmth of feeling, a home that feels collected, lived in, and deeply personal, not just designed. It's the opposite of the stark, cold rooms designers are now moving away from. So, is Modern Farmhouse dead? Absolutely not. It's just matured. It's become more nuanced, more personal, and infinitely more interesting. It's no longer a strict checklist, but a guiding philosophy. Create a comfortable, grounded home that blends the best of the old and the new with honesty and heart. So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the new rustic? Maybe you're inspired to add a moody accent wall or start hunting for that perfect vintage find. Let's chat in the comments. Tell me, what's one element of the old modern farmhouse you're ready to evolve? And what's one thing you'll always keep? I read every single comment. If this vision of a warm, textured, and authentic home resonates with you, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Home Trends and hit that bell for more guides on creating a home you love without the trends that don't last. Thanks for watching, and remember, design your home for your story. See you in the next one.